Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pickled vegetables in vinegar. First, gather your favorite fresh vegetables such as crisp cucumbers, vibrant carrots, or tender green beans. Next, prepare your clean glass jars and their tight-fitting lids. It is crucial to sterilize these by boiling them in water for about 10 minutes to ensure food safety. Finally, wash and trim all your chosen vegetables thoroughly before moving to the next step. Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts water and vinegar, for example, 2 cups of each. Then, add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt per cup of liquid and 1 tablespoon of sugar for a hint of sweetness. Stir these ingredients together until they dissolve. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil on your stovetop, ensuring everything is well combined and hot. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Tightly arrange your prepared vegetables into the sterilized glass jars. Feel free to add your favorite spices, like a sprig of fresh dill, a clove of garlic, or a pinch of mustard seeds for extra flavor. Carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are completely submerged. Remember to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace from the jar's rim. Finally, it's time to seal and wait. Securely place the sterilized lids onto your filled jars, ensuring a tight seal. Allow the jars to cool completely at room temperature on your counter. Once cooled, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, let your pickled vegetables chill for at least 24 hours before enjoying. They will keep well for several weeks in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.